Welcome to our tutorial on using VBA to split an Excel workbook into individual files for each sheet. This is an efficient method to organize and manage your data. Assuming that you need to split your workbook that contains lots of worksheets into multiple single Excel file and its extension name is CSV. The simplest way is to copy each worksheet to a single Excel workbook or file by manually. So you can select one worksheet that you want to save as a single Excel file. Then create a new workbook, paste it in the new workbook. Then save it. If you have hundreds of worksheets in your workbook, then it will be time-consuming and tedious. So do we have a quick way to split workbook to separate Excel file? Of course yes, the below will describe one way to split your workbook with VBA code. Open the Excel workbook you want to split. Make sure it's the active workbook and that you have saved a backup copy before proceeding. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. This is where you'll write and run the macro. In the VBA editor, go to Insert tab, and select Module from the menu. This will add a new module to your VBA project where you can write your code. Copy the VBA code provided earlier into the new module. This code includes a subroutine and a function to save each sheet as a separate file in a folder of your choice. If necessary, you can modify the code to include a specific save path instead of using the Browse for Folder function. However, using the function allows users to select their preferred location. Once you've pasted the code, close the VBA editor by clicking the X in the upper right corner or by pressing Alt plus Q. Go back to Excel, press Alt plus F8, select Save Sheets as separate files from the list of macros, and click Run. A file dialog will open, prompting you to select a folder where the new files will be saved. Browse to the desired location. And click OK. The macro will now execute. You'll see each sheet being saved as a new file in the folder you selected. Wait for the process to complete. Navigate to the folder where you saved the files and verify that each sheet has been successfully saved as an individual file. Congratulations! You've used VBA to split your Excel workbook into separate files for each sheet. This is a valuable skill for managing large datasets and improving your workflow efficiency. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore additional VBA macros to further automate and enhance your Excel experience. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.